Yeah, it's going off right in my room, and I can't figure out how to get it to shut the fuck up. Pretty annoying.
God damn. Is the game sound is in like the mid green, and me and you, and I guess me, you, and the smoke detector are in the red.
Okay, give me give me 5 minutes. Let me see if I can kill the metal detector,
The metal detector.
or I mean the smoke detector.
God damn.
I think I might have fixed it.